Want to make extra cash in 2025? Whether you're looking for a side hustle to pay the bills, fund your passion, or just make some fun money, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing 10 of the best side hustles you can start right now. Most of them require little to no experience. So if you're ready to start making money online and in your free time, stick around. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips. Now, let's get into it. 1. AI-powered freelancing. AI is taking over, so why not get paid for it? Businesses need help using AI tools like ChatGPT for content writing, Midjourney for graphic design, and AI video editing tools like Runway ML. You can sell AI-generated content on Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour, and make anywhere from $20 to $100 per project. The best part? You don't even need expert skills. AI does most of the work for you. 2. Print-on-demand business. Want to make money selling merch without stocking inventory? With print on demand, you can design and sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, and more without handling shipping. Just upload your designs to Redbubble, Printful, or Teespring, and when someone buys, the platform prints and ships it for you. Passive income, baby. 3. Virtual tutoring. If you're good at math, English, coding, or even video editing, you can teach online and make $15 to $50 per hour. Sites like Chegg, TutorMe, and Wisent let you connect with students who need help. And here's a pro tip. You can record your lessons and sell them as courses on Udemy or Gumroad for even more money. 4. Reselling and thrifting. Thrift it, flip it, and make a profit. Reselling is one of the easiest ways to double or even triple your money. Find vintage clothes, limited edition sneakers, or old electronics at thrift stores and resell them on eBay, Depop, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace. Some people make thousands a month flipping items. 5. Social media management. If you love scrolling on Instagram or TikTok, why not get paid for it? Small businesses need help with content creation, scheduling, and engagement. You can start by managing social media for just 1 or 2 clients, charging $100 to $500 per month per business, and use tools like Canva and CapCut to make content fast. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you promote products and earn commissions whenever someone buys through your link. You can start with Amazon Associates, LTK, or ClickBank and post TikTok reviews, Instagram posts, or blog articles. The trick? Focus on trending products like student essentials, tech gadgets, or fashion. 7. Gig economy jobs. If you need fast cash, gig apps like DoorDash, Uber, TaskRabbit, and Rover let you make money on your own schedule. Whether it's delivering food, assembling furniture, or walking dogs, you can earn anywhere from $15 to $30 per hour. 8. Digital product sales. Create it once, sell it forever. Digital products like ebooks, Notion templates, or stock photos can bring in passive income. Websites like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip let you upload and sell digital files instantly. No shipping, no hassle. 9. YouTube automation. Don't like being on camera? No problem. YouTube automation is where you create faceless videos using AI voiceovers, stock footage, and simple editing. Topics like finance, tech, and motivation perform really well. You can monetize with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 10. Online surveys and microtasks. It won't make you rich, but apps like Swagbucks, User Testing, and Respondent pay you for simple tasks like watching videos, testing websites, or answering surveys. You can earn $5 to $50 per task, which adds up over time. And that's a wrap. Those were 10 of the best side hustles for 2025. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more money-making hacks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.